So hello class, I hope you all are good and fine. So class, today we discuss about Unit 3, Physical Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle. Okay class, so let's move the topic, all topics in the physical fitness and wellness and about the lifestyle. Okay. In this video, we're talking about the components of physical fitness. So in previous class video, we discussing about the what is the physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So in this video, the components of physical fitness are endurance, speed, strength, flexibility and also coordinative ability. So class, first we started for the strength.
Now we discuss about the what is the component of physical fitness. So basically, is the physical fitness component is the developing the whole components of various in your various amount. For example, just such as swimming and running improve heart, lungs, and efficiency. Okay, class, and also they improve your flexibility, strength, coordinative abilities, or endurance, just like endurance. Okay, class. So this is the mean of physical fitness, and this is a different definition of the components of physical fitness. So physical fitness has various components, different sports activity. Okay, class. It means कि ये हर किसी खेल में या हर हर किसी इवेंट्स में आपको हेल्प प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, सो एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. Okay, class. So develop each component in varying amount. For example, sports that include constant movements such as swimming and running improve heart and lungs efficiency, whereas gymnastics improve flexibility. Okay, class. So basically, the whole thing was saying ki the physical fitness components are developing the all type of components. Okay, so let's talking about the first components. So first component is your strength. So strength is the ability to exert a force against a resistance. Okay, this means ki the strength was the basically doing to the your muscular power, large muscular group of muscles are doing some effective activity like this, like you doing weightlifting, weight training, or other thing you are doing the activity, not any sports or physical activity in your daily workout or daily routines in. Okay, so type of strength, remember that the most activity you will require a combination of all these from strength. Okay, class. So let's move next page. So in next page so type, these are some types of strength. Of first type is dynamic strength. Okay, class. So in dynamic strength there are three part of the other strengths. So first is maximum strength, second is explosive strength, and C is strength endurance. Okay, so now we discuss about the first is what is the dynamic strength. So let's move next page. So the dynamic strength is the ability to apply a force repeatedly over a period of time. It estimates for highly explosive activities such as sprinting and is similar to elastic strength. Okay, so again I repeat this, the dynamic strength is ability to apply a force repeatedly. Okay, means the dynamic strength is applying and doing the force of repeatedly means continuously doing. Okay, and over a period of time. It is estimated for highly explosive activities such as sprinting and is similar to elastic strength. Okay, so let's move next page. So in dynamic strength, the first number part of the dynamic strength is, so number A is maximum strength. Okay, class. So it is the ability to act against maximum resistance. This means the maximum strength is doing the work of you, what you do the work is आपका अलग से ये उस टाइम पे क्विकली मैक्सिमम फोर्स को रेजिस्टेंस करता है. ओके, सो maximum strength is not usually used in majority of sports. It is usually used in those sports is very heavy resistant have to be tackled, weightlifting, shot put, hammer throw, discus throw, javelin throw. Okay, class. So basically, so the maximum strength using the in sports or activities just like weightlifting, shot put, hammer throw, discus throw, and javelin throw. Okay, because in these sports we are using the maximum power of your of our muscles. So just like we know this कि आपको इस टाइम पे आपको अपने बॉडी पार्ट से मैक्सिमम वेट उठाना है, तो इसलिए आपको मसल्स ग्रुप को मैक्सिमम पावर इंक्रीज करना पड़ता है, इसलिए आपको मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत पड़ती है इज वेट लिफ्टिंग, शॉट पुट, हैमर थ्रो, डिस्कस थ्रो. ओके, सो दिस इज अ मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ. So let's move next page. So next page we discuss about the explosive strength. So the explosive strength can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. In fact, it is a combination of strength and speed ability. Explosive strength is generally used in sprint, start, weightlifting, shot put, and extra. Okay, class. So basically, explosive strength is was doing to if you suddenly or quickly doing some work, just like you are a 100-meter athlete racer. So in 100-meter race you doing some quick reaction, just like starting point पे आपको खड़ा होना है, तो उस टाइम पे आपको जब गन फायर होता है उस पर क्विक रिएक्शन के साथ आपको फुल पावर लगानी पड़ती है इफ यू आर यूजिंग full power of your muscles. So this is the explosive strength. Okay, so let's move next page. So the type of exercise used to build quick explosive power movements that require a maximum or near maximum power output for the athlete in short amount of time. Okay, class. So basically इस जो मैक्सिमम एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ है हमारी वो शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए होती है. इन जस्ट लाइक यू क्विक जंप, क्विक स्टार्ट, एंड एक्चुअली द एक्सप्लोज मीन जस्ट एक्सप्लोज. यू सी द बाइक वाज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोज मीन्स जब आप एक्सीलेटर देते हो बाइक को तो एकदम क्विक पिकअप पकड़ता है. तो जस्ट लाइक द एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ इज द सेम वर्क. ओके, the goal was explosive exercise training is build power enough power to ultimately move heavy weight very quickly. Okay, and just like you see the weightlifters, they use your explosive strength and maximum strength also. First they do use your explosive strength because उनको जो उस टाइम ज़रूरत होती है सडनली अचानक से क्विकली अप वेट को उठाने की. सो एक रिदम में लाने के लिए उनको एक एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो नो द जंप इवेंट्स जस्ट लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर यू सॉ दैट इज द वर्टिकल जंप. सो इन वर्टिकल जंप दिस एथलीट यूजिंग द एक्सप्लोजिव स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, so let's move next page. So this is the third part of the dynamic strength. So it's the strength of endurance. Okay, it means endurance just like your stamina, how long you do the physical activity or others daily workout without fatigue. Okay, So in strength endurance is the specific form of strength display in activities which require a relatively long duration of muscle tension with minimum decrease in efficiency. Okay, class. So in this strength was saying कि the the specific form of strength display in activity which require a relative long duration. Okay, class. So if you doing work in long duration time period, just like um, a flank, body weight squash, lungs, push-ups, sit-ups, improving endurance, just like thing you do. So basically the use of in this type of activity are going to strength endurance called. Okay, so let's move next page. So the next strength is our static strength. So the ability of our muscles to remain in tension from a long period of time. This may be measured by the length of the time an individual can hold a body position compared dynamic endurance. Okay, class. So basically in the static instance is the calling in how long you take a one position in the doing taking the tension of your muscles. Okay. If you doing a long period work just like plank or sit-ups, just like thing अदर जिसमें आप अपने मसल्स को लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए टेंशन देते हो, जस्ट लाइक उन पर लोड देते हो. So this is called a static strength. Okay, class. So let's move next page. So next page we discuss about our next components of physical fitness. So next is speed. Okay, class. So basically, speed is the ability to move all or part of the body as quick as possible. Okay, means आप अपनी बॉडी को जितना क्विक हो सके और जितनी जल्दी पॉसिबल हो सके उसको मूव करने पे उसको हम स्पीड कहते हैं. ओके, सो एग्जांपल है स्पीड इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट स्प्रिंटिंग, speed skating, speed cycling, and sports such as tennis when a player has to move forward quickly from the baseline to each a drop shot close to the net. Okay, class. So basically, the speed is the taking a minimum time to covering the maximum distance, calling a speed. Okay, class. Just like the Usain Bolt is the fastest man in the world in 100 meter, 400 meter, and 200 meter, and for 1 into 100-meter relay race, 4 into 400-meter relay race is the fastest man of the world. Okay, class. You see the Usain Bolt races. You can see this man was going too quick. Okay, because this man was speed was so good and all technique and the steps reach are very far because okay, class. So this is all about the speeds. So let's move next page. So in next page we talking about the endurance, means सहन शक्ति, stamina, willpower, calling. Okay, so in endurance is the ability of a organism to exert itself and remain active for a long period of time, as well as its ability to resist, withstand, recover from, and have immunity to trauma, wounds, or fatigue. Okay, class. So basically, endurance is the calling the your muscles or your all body lungs organs are doing maximum time duration work. Okay, class. So this is called without fatigue and without any tension or others difficulties and problem have your body. So this is called endurance. Okay class, so let's move next page. So in next page we're talking about the type of endurance. Okay, so first is the, so class, these are type of endurance. So first type of short term endurance and second is long term endurance. Okay class, so let's talk the first type. So first type endurance is the short term endurance. Okay class, so basically the short term endurance is the calling a, if you doing physical activity in short period, just like using the 100 meter running, 10 meters shuttle run or sprinting. Okay, so this is the all calling the short term endurance. Okay, so the short term endurance is need in sports when action or movement is only for short duration and intense. Okay, so basically the short term endurance is a short duration and short action times. Okay, and this is example of the game hockey, football and wrestling. Okay, you also see in the this game the player was using short term endurance because they going to running short runs, just like shuttle sprint, short sprint, just like 10 to 15 meters, or they could move quick. Okay class, so this is called the short term endurance. So in next page